Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70k subscribers. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Amazulu 1, Kaizer Chiefs 3. I'm joined by my friend, my brother Kamabadi.
Utabani wasibia to Swerichas Bay.
Yeah.
Swerichas Bay utabani wasibia.
Utabangeni game yanamshanje.
Isidlale kakhulu mfowethu uSereno is my number 10.
Yes.
Yeah. It's Sundown so inqomo.
Sundown. Makosi, ni qualify kuphi? Ibetwe sephelile.
Selfuna man. Obvious.
Abaphathi banikiliki manje.
Betway is man. Sundown yathatha ulokuza wonke DStv. Now is the Betway for Gospel Life. Yes. Betway is man.
Remember. Yes, Saturday udlala neMamelodi Sundowns.
3 points. 3 points. Sundowns.